Kamitsu, ito po si Agent Colsen at welcome po sa Agent Colsen Vlog. So today's video mga Kamitsu, pag-uusapan natin regarding sa RFID. Dahil may nabalitaan ako at alam ko sa no few kailangan nyo ng informasyon regarding sa RFID dahil this coming November 2 ipapa-implement na nila. So ano-ano po yung mga bagay-bagay na kailangan natin malaman? Ano ba ang RFID? Ano bang mga benepisyo kung makukuha natin yan? Saan tayo magpapa-install? Sa paano tayo magbabayad? At paano natin yan i-reload? At kung magkano ang RFID? Kaya kung bago ka lang mga Kamitsu, mag-subscribe lang po kayo. At kung luma naman kayo, mag-stay lang po kayo mga Kamitsu. So ito na po yung video. Ipapaliwanag na.
Hello, Kamitsu. This is Agent Colsen and welcome to our YouTube channel. Agent Colsen Vlog. Expressways are soon going completely cashless. Here's everything you need to know. Motorists have until November 2nd, 2020 to get and install their RFID stickers. So, if you're new with my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to be able to notify you about Mitsubishi, lifestyle, and reactions. The COVID-19 pandemic has sped up various industries' efforts to shift to contactless payment. Aside from restaurants and shops, toll plazas and major expressways are now going cashless. While the RFID system has always been highly encouraged even pre-pandemic, the Department of Transportation is now enforcing electronic payment by implementing strict 100% transition from manual payment to RFID stickers come November 2nd, 2020. This means if you own a vehicle and you regularly go through NLEX, STEX, or other major expressways, you have to get that sticker ASAP.
Mga Kamitsu, question number 1. Ano ba ang RFID at paano yan gumagana?
RFIDs and how they work? RFID is the acronym for radio frequency identification. Basically, it's a wireless technology that uses radio frequency waves to transfer data from a tag attached to an object and input it directly into a system. For electronic payment, it works by scanning tags, such as the transparent ones you stick on your car's headlamp, from several feet away. The benefits of using RFID for cashless payment. Sticking RFID stickers in your car means you won't need to interact with people at tollgates, ergo cashless payments, and breezing through in seconds. This method allows motorists to adhere to the strict social distancing measures for their safety. Say goodbye to being stuck in traffic at tollgates because manual payment is taking too slow. Plus, you won't have to panic looking for a loose change or your misplaced ticket right before your turn at the gate.
Question number 2. Ano-ano ba ang mga toll gate na mag-i-implement niyan, RFID?
Which toll plazas are involved? The following identified limited access facilities will implement contactless transactions. South Luzon Expressway, SLEX. Manila Cavite Toll Expressway, Cavitex. North Luzon Expressway, NLEX. South Metro Manila Skyway. Southern Tagalog Arterial Road, STAR, Tollway. Subic-Clark Tarlac Expressway, SCTEX. Cavite Laguna Expressway, CALAX. According to DOTR, this includes other road networks, including any extension of the existing expressway facilities mentioned, that may be constructed, established, and or operated as expressway toll facilities.
Number 3 questions. Paano mag-avail at saan makakakuha ng RFID?
Where to get free RFID stickers? If you don't have RFID stickers yet but can't be bothered to go to a location site for installment, getting your own online is easy. The stick-it-yourself Easytrip RFID can be ordered from ShopPay. You only need to pay the initial consumable load of P500. Take note of your order ID and register it at www.easytrip.ph/crfidform.html. Easytrip could be used in NLEX, STEX, Cavitex, C5 Link Flyover, and CALAX. Autosweep RFID can be used exclusively at Skyway, SLEX, NAIAX, Star Tollway, MCX, and TPLEX. You can get yours installed for free in the locations on this list. Make sure you bring proper forms and documents. Tollway operators offer fast and free RFID installation. Autosweep RFID can only be used at Skyway, SLEX, NAIAX, Star Tollway, MCX, and TPLEX. Easytrip RFID can only be used at NLEX, STEX, Cavitex, and CALAX. Number 1. Skyway/Nayax, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. C5 Toll Plaza northbound. Petron dos Marinos. Petron Valle Verde, Shell Magallanes, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Nayax Main Toll Plaza A and B, 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Bicutton Toll Plaza northbound. Nichols Toll Plaza southbound. Skyway Runway Toll Plaza northbound. Sucket southbound exit, 24 hours. C5 Customer Service Center southbound. Old Nayax drive-through westbound, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. C5 Toll Plaza northbound. Petron dos Marinos. Petron Valle Verde, Shell Magallanes, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Nayax Main Toll Plaza A and B, 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Bicutton Toll Plaza northbound. Nichols Toll Plaza southbound. Skyway Runway Toll Plaza northbound. Sucket southbound exit, 24 hours. C5 Customer Service Center southbound. Old Nayax drive-through westbound. South Luzon Expressway, SLEX, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Ayala Greenfield CSC, Southwood CSC northbound. Sta. Rosa CSC northbound/southbound. Cabuyao Toll Plaza southbound. Susanna Heights Toll Plaza southbound. Maplazan Toll Plaza northbound/southbound. Philinvest Toll Plaza. Colombo CSC northbound, after tollgate. Petron Avia. Petron San Pedro southbound. Shell Maplazan northbound. Shell Putaton southbound. Caltex MCX. Total Slex northbound. Southwoods Mall Terminal 1. 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Alabang Entry Tollgate southbound. Petron Silangan, KM.44, southbound. 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Sta. Rosa Toll Plaza southbound. Cabuyao Toll Plaza northbound, 24 hours. After Colombo Entry Tollgate. Southwoods Toll Plaza northbound. Eaton Plaza northbound. Star Tollway, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Stowe. Thomas drive-through northbound. Lipa southbound drive-through. Batangas drive-through southbound, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Star Toll Lipa CSC, Dambo exit. Petron Lipa northbound. Petron Malvar southbound. Petron Ibon, KM86. Tarlac Pangasinan LA Union Expressway, Plex, 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Tarlac Toll Plaza. Victoria Toll Plaza. Pura Toll Plaza. Carmen Toll Plaza. Urdaneta Toll Plaza. Rosario Toll Plaza, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Petron Pura northbound/southbound, 24 hours. Plex Tarlac Main Office northbound.
So last questions, Kamitsu. Paano naman yan? Paano tayo magpapareload?
How to have your RFID reloaded in Lex Corporation shared on their Facebook page an updated list of installation and reloading sites for Easytrip along Lex. Reload your Easytrip RFIDs in the safety of your home via credit card, Visa, MasterCard, online banking, BDO, BankNet, Metrobank, UCPB, or online payment sites, GCash, Smart Money, Paymaya, etc. Visit Easytrip sites. https://easytrip.ph/reloading. Autosweep users can reload online via GCash, JustPay.to, Union Bank, Maybank, Coins.ph, China Bank, BPI, Bank of Commerce, and more. Visit Autosweep sites https://autosweeprfid.com/web/. So here it goes, Kamitsu. Any concerns about RFID? You may visit Department of Transportation official page so that you will be able to update more on RFID. Back to you, Patrick. Thank you.
So mga Kamitsu, yun po ang impormasyon regarding sa RFID. Kaya kung bago ka lang, mag-subscribe po kayo, at kung luma naman kayo, mag-stay lang po kayo mga Kamitsu, dahil marami pa ako mga video na ipapalabas sa inyo. So yan po ang tungkol sa RFID. Magsimula na po kayong mag-inquire. Pwede nyo pong ilalagay ko po sa description yung link na mga kakailanganin ninyo regarding sa RFID. Most especially yung official page ng Department of Transportation, dahil sila po ang namamahala po niyan. And then of course, dahil COVID-19 ngayon, kailangan natin ng social distancing. Ilalagay ko na rin sa description sa baba kung ano at paano kayo mag-avail niyan through online or kung ano man. So, ganun na lang guys. See you!